brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Atty. Manuel Salvador Tambunting.
Lingkod gas ang pag-asa, lingkod gas ang kasama, lingkod gas Tambunting.
Tonight is a night of celebration. A celebration of the past and a celebration of the future. To celebrate the achievements you have had in the past years. The Knights of Columbus, especially those here in Barangay Merville, you are called to pass that bridge and fight the battle, which means to know the power of the Eucharist and the Holy Mass, the power of prayer. You are called to pass upon the faith, to live the faith, and to know the faith. May you continue to know Him, to love Him, and to serve Him. As Kapitan Doc Ed mentioned earlier, any service that we do has to be rooted in our faith in Jesus Christ. May the Knights of Columbus prosper for the following years to come. May God's blessing, favor be upon you and the generations after you do. Sa ngalan po ni Congressman Gus S, Congresswoman Joy Tambunting, maraming salamat po sa inyong paglilingkod sa ating bayan. Congratulations at pagbuhay-buhay po natin.